English together.
The World Cup.
Hey, Jessica, how are you today?
Hi, Tom. I'm very happy today.
Oh, why are you so happy?
Because of the World Cup. Do you like football?
Yes, I love football. It's my favorite sport.
Me too. I watch the matches every day.
Which team do you support?
I support Portugal. What about you?
I support England. They play very well.
Yes, they do. Do you watch the games at home?
No, I usually watch them at a cafe with my friends.
That sounds like fun. I watch them at home with my family.
The matches are very exciting this year.
Yes, and there are so many goals.
Who is your favorite player?
My favorite player is Cristiano Ronaldo. Who is yours?
My favorite player is Harry Kane. Which team do you support?
Let us know in the comments below. Do you play football too?
Yes, I play on weekends. I usually play with my friends.
That's great. I don't play football. I just enjoy watching it.
That's okay. Watching is fun too. What time is the match today?
It starts at 8 o'clock tonight.
Great, I can't wait. Hey, why don't we watch the match together tonight?
That's a great idea. Let's watch it at my house.
Perfect. Let's go to the supermarket first and buy some juice and popcorn.
Yes, and maybe some pizza too.
Good idea.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and consider subscribing to my channel for more content like this.